In this Playposit for Beginners version 3.0 video, we're going to walk through the steps of taking a bulb that you've already created in your Playposit account and linking it to your Schoology page where your students can watch it, respond to it, and then you can see the answers that they submit. So in order to do that, you'll probably want to watch the first and second videos where we walk through the steps of putting in a video and adding in interactions. If you've already done that, then you can go to your Schoology page and choose the course where you want to add a link that your students can access through their Schoology app. Some teachers use their homeroom page for everything. Others are more specific with the content area. So whatever your video is about, you can link it to science or social studies. Totally up to you. I have this sandbox course here, and I have a folder where I put Playposit videos sometimes. So that's what I'm going to do for now. Wherever you decide to place it, you're just going to click Add Materials. And then go down to Add File Link External Tool. Playposit is an external tool. So we're going to click here. And in the drop down next to Tool Provider, you're going to click Playposit 3.0. And then you have to give it a title. I'm just going to be repetitive here. And that's it. So you're just going to hit Submit. And you'll see your link up here below. But you need to actually connect it to the bulb in your Playposit account. So you're going to click on the link and then Set Bulb Link. Now you should see all of your bulbs on your Playposit account. I need to scroll down a little bit. That one's near the bottom. And I'm going to click on the video. And then in this window, I'm going to click Set Bulb Link. I'm going to leave it at self-paced. You can make it live if you want to do it whole group. And then click Link. Now the bulb's linked. The kids can actually open it, watch it, respond to it. I'll see their answers if I go through my link here. And instead of hitting Set Bulb Link, you can click on Monitor. Now, anyone who's watched the bulb, their name will appear under Learner Name. If you've set it up to score them as they go along, that will appear here. Their status is how much of the video they've watched thus far. And then each one of these are their interactions that I've embedded throughout the video. So I'll be able to see what they've submitted, their answers underneath here for each question. This is a great tool for formative assessment and also just for holding the kids accountable while watching a video.